A question we are often asked here at vidIQ is how often should I post videos on YouTube to feed the algorithm? General recommendation is at least once a week. Once a day is absolutely fantastic, but we know that many of you are not capable of doing that. Even we can't post once a day. However, what if I told you there was a way to post content every single day and it would only take 5 minutes? And the good news is this tool has just got even more powerful. I am of course talking about vidIQ.
vidIQ.
Wait a minute, that teasing intro and transition didn't work. Stop. I'm not talking about vidIQ in this video, even though that's what it sounded like. I'm actually talking about YouTube's community tab. Yes, community tab. Let's carry on. Love them or indeed loathe them, community posts are here to stay. Up until now, they were the preserve of the mobile YouTube experience, popping up in your home and subscription feeds, with short status updates, questions, voting polls and video promos from channels you may or indeed may not be subscribed to. More on that a little later. Ever since community posts were made available to video creators, I've been a huge advocate for it, and we've made a couple of tutorial videos on best practices and things that can really impact your audience through posting these updates. Now, just before Christmas, the community tab was made available to all creators with over 1,000 subscribers. But now, it's available to all users on desktop. How that currently looks is on the YouTube desktop page, you will see a section called Latest Posts. It could be at the top, it could be halfway down your screen. At the moment, it tends to be wherever it feels like. And this will indeed show a small sampling of channel community posts. If you click on any of the boxes, it will take you directly to the post on the community tab for that particular channel. Beforehand, these community posts were so hidden away on desktop that nobody ever read them, but now YouTube wants to stick them more in your face by using the YouTube homepage. Do you agree with that? Do let us know in the comments below. Now here's what always really fascinates me about the community tab. As you saw, this message appeared in the latest post timeline on my desktop as I'm logged in. But surprisingly, I'm not subscribed to this channel. The truth is, recently I'd watched some really rather excellent content from this creator, but I'd never actually clicked on the big bright red button. Do we have another YouTube conspiracy on our hands? Actually no, YouTube are quite open about what they do here. On YouTube's own support documentation for the community tab, way down the page it states, "We may occasionally send post notifications to viewers who are not subscribed but frequently watch videos from your channel," which is exactly what happened to me. In fact, one of my guilty pleasures is watching wrestling on the vidIQ account, but I'm too embarrassed to subscribe to them. Do you smell what vidIQ is cooking? Seriously, if somebody could do custom vidIQ plates, I would pay good money. In summary, there has never been a better time to start using the community tab. More creators have access to it, more users can see them, and people just can't get enough of someone headbutting a subscribe pillow in GIF format. Yes, that's right, I don't care what anybody says, it's a GIF. I first saw this latest post section on my YouTube homepage on desktop about a week ago, then it disappeared for a couple of days before reappearing, so things could change over the next couple of days and weeks with this feature. To be honest, I would prefer to see this in the subscription feed on my desktop, as in the homepage it just seems to be clunky and out of place, but I'd love to hear your thoughts on that particular subject. Whatever the case, I will continue to push the community tab as one of the most powerful non-video tools on YouTube. As for the most powerful one, roll intro.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.com